So guys, please another style again. Your favorite turban. So guys, let's do it together. I use rubber band to band it at the middle, but it's not equal 20, 80. That is the measurement. So guys, please, I'm begging you, I'm always begging you guys. I always beg you, please help me to share my video. Do well by share my video for me, please, so that the video will reach more people. Even if you are a male, please share it. Some people will still find it on your profile and they will do what they will like it. Please, and if you have not followed this page, please follow. What are you still waiting for? Please follow. And if today is the first time you are seeing my video, please, I'm begging you, do well by follow my page, share, and also comment about what you watch. Please, I'm begging you guys. I love you guys. Please, I'm begging you. Just help me share my video. Help me share it. So at this point, I'm tied it at the back, then trying to adjust the middle as well. So when I found that the middle is trying to open there, I later use a pin. Later use pin to pin that place. So now I fold that long hand. I fold the long hand side. Then what am I going to do now is to insert it inside this thing as in the rubber band. Then you bring it out. That is what I'm doing. You bring it out. I know you still be wondering that the rubber is still showing now. How am I going to do it? So just make sure you watch the video to the end. So now you now turn it like this, then still suck it inside the rubber, then bring it out. You bring it out. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. You see, then you bring it out like this, then cover it. So you can see what I'm doing. You can see it. So it's very simple to grab. It's very simple. If you watch the video to the end, you will surely get this step. So it's very simple. You can see now that I'm holding pin to pin the middle so that the middle will be closed. It will not be open. So that's what I'm doing. So my beautiful family, please once again share my video, please, and please help me share the video. Help me share the video. So I'm trying to bring it out little. Then take the hand to the back. You can see, take it to the back. Then the hand that was in the back before, then I'm going to use it to tie it together. That's what I'm doing. Then tie it together. After tie, it will be it will still be remain some hand. So I'm going to suck it. That's what I'm doing. So I'm going to suck it inside. Yeah. So I'm sucking it. I'm sucking it. Then see that middle again is still open, which means I've not pinned it very well. Then now I will use another pin again so that it will stand very well. So I'm using another pin to pin it. Guys, share this video for other people to see it, please. There are some people that need this tutorial. Please, if you share it, they may find it useful on your profile. Please and please help me share it. I'm begging you. So now I'm adjusting in front. You can see how I did it. So very simple to grab. It's not hard. It's very simple. And this cover also it look nice, looks simple, and also look attractive. So you can see it's very simple, very simple. So please and please guys, share this video. Share this video for me. I'm begging you. Share it. Share it. And as well follow me on my page, subscribe to my channel, follow my YouTube channel, foley_49. See you in my next